Okay, welcome back. Now it's time to create the dynamic route in Nextjs 15. So can you remember yesterday we have created this portion, complex dashboard, and these are the slot. This is called parallel routes, and I have forgotten to tell you the basic convention of creating parallel route is that you have to place prefix at sign before the component. Okay, but if you wanna base, you have to create base like the general convention. So these are the convention. So today we will create dynamic routes. Okay. Okay, for that create a slot over here and its name is login. Okay, and inside login create a page.tsx. So inside page.tsx say this is login page. Okay, this is login page. Okay, so you need to include it in the layout as it is parallel routes are layout based, and I have already written, but this is login. Okay, you have to place it over here. So I am connecting my slot in the layout by profs as a profs. Okay, so if you know React.js or Next.js, this is the basic understanding you have to know, and I'm pretty sure you know that. Okay, so you have to declare the login to satisfy Typescript, otherwise Typescript will be furious if I remove this. Say Typescript is very angry. So if you wanna make him satisfy, you have to give the types, okay, to satisfy Typescript. Okay, we are done. Now we are conditionally rendering this JSX. Okay, so before that I am creating a variable const is logged in. Is logged in. I am giving it false. Okay, now I am conditionally rendering. So return is logged in. If it is true, then return this, otherwise return this. Return or slot, login slot. Okay, login slot. Okay, I hope that makes sense. If it is logged in, if it is true, then render this portion, otherwise render this. So let's go to our page. Okay, so if we go to the complex dashboard. Okay, no, it's complex dashboard 2. We are working on complex dashboard 2. So this is login page, but we can give a bit of style. You need to log in to see to access this page, okay. So you need to log in to access this page, but if I make it true in the layout, if I make it true, if I toggle between true or false, I will be able to see my parallel routes. Okay, so I hope that makes sense, and I'm pretty sure you got my point. So I am again make it false, I will not able to see the page. So this is conditional routing. Okay, so you need to log in to access this page. Again I am making it true, I will be able to see the page. So I hope you got my point and you have understood it. So if you face any problem, let me know. I will make you understand. And if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned, stay connected. See you soon. Thank you very much. A little bit announcement. You can get a tremendous and superb course. This is my course. MERN stack, Typescript, e-commerce, Docker, RTKquery, and along with deploy. It's a nice and huge course. So its price is $44, but I can give you, for my students, I can give it only $9. Okay, so it will last for 5 days, but you will get $9. If the course is needed, you can contact with me, just $9.99. Okay, so it's a super course, tremendous course. So you will able to learn a lot of things. You will get TypeScript, e-commerce, Docker, RTK query, and deployment. So it is built on React 9.18, Node.js 20, and role-based automatic redirect. So I will give the discount link and coupon code and course link in the description box. You can come and check, and don't hesitate to grab the course. Thank you very much.